Be blessed by the divine. I'm Karthik from Sky Meditation Center, Bay Area. Today, I'm going to introduce to you about a very simple and but very powerful yoga practice called Kaya Kalpa Yoga. Let's start with a very simple question. Where do you think a tree stores most of its energy? Do you think it stores in its roots, leaves, or fruits? Well, you may think it is the roots because that is what is sustaining this entire tree to stand. Maybe it's the leaves because that is where most photosynthesis is happening. Okay? I think it might be something to do with the fruits because that is the fruits which helps the plant or tree to sustain or continue its progeny. Heredity. There should be an evolutionary incentive for the plant to store most of its energy in the fruits. Right? Let's think about it. As the plant stores most of its energy in its fruits, some plant, by the forces of nature, it will be carried away and fall into some other place. And from there, a new plant sprouts from it. If it will not fall there, it will just fall down. Whatever fruits are falling down, they just decompose and they become a manure again back to the tree. This kind of recycling happening in the plant, right? In the tree. Makes sense, right? Whatever excess energy is stored, that gets recycled back to the tree. The excess energy gets recycled back to the tree. The same principle should be applicable to us as well, to human beings as well. Right? The Siddhas, ancient South Indian alchemists, they keenly observed nature and they tried to figure out how we can apply the same principle within us. Right? Applying from the same principle, where do you think most energy would be stored in the human body? Yep. It should be stored in the reproductive cells. Right? We call it as vital fluid. Sexual vital fluid. It's a combination of cerebrospinal fluid, reproductive hormones, and then the reproductive organs altogether, and in essence, the sperm and ovarian liquids. All together, we call it as sexual vital fluid. Right? Applying the same evolutionary principles, the sexual vital fluid is what that should contain most highest density of energy storage. If it is not being used for the purpose of progeny, then there should be a way to recycle that, right? Yes, there is. The Siddhas of South India, they did use that practice to increase their lifespan, live disease-free, and live youthfully for a long, long time. It's going to help them give a sharp mind. Do you want to learn that? Stop by at one of our Sky Meditation Centers for Kaya Kalpa Yoga. Be blessed by the divine.